Hello, my name is Aymara. My goal is to introduce you to the courseland platform. The project was created for educational purposes. Since we don't know how to use the site, I made a list of steps for a full review of the site. To get started, open a browser and in the address field, write courseland.kz. On the main page in the menu, we see a dashboard, instructor registration, student registration, selection of categories for posts, search widget, courses, lessons, quizzes and assignments. In the right corner we see the latest published courses. In the middle of the site, we see posts. Let's open one of them. This is how the post looks. And below we can comment on our post. To view courses, click Courses in the menu bar. Here we see all published courses. Let's register for one of them as a student. Since we are not registered, click to create a new account. Here you must fill in all your data. All data will be stored in the database, so don't forget the data entered. And so we opened our course. To start the course, click on the button Enroll Now and start the course. In this screen we see information about the course. After completing the course, we click on the button Complete Lecture. And in the list of lectures we see a check mark that shows that we passed and learned a lecture. Let's open our course window and see the lesson process that we completed. And here we see our percentage of lesson completion. At the bottom of the course, we can leave a comment. To get profile information, go to the dashboard. And here we can get all the data. Let's set up our profile photo so that the page looks beautiful. For this, go to the settings. And here we can change or supplement the data about us. For upload profile photo, click to upload a photo, select a picture and save data by clicking button Update Profile. Awesome! To upload your personal course to the system, you must register as an instructor. To do this, click on Instructor Registration and apply to become an instructor. We will wait for confirmation from the site administrator to be an instructor. If you are confirmed in your personal account, several additional sections will appear to look. Go to the dashboard. Strange. There are no changes yet, so let's wait for a confirmation. Refreshing the page. Awesome! As you can see, they confirmed me as an instructor. Let's upload our first course. For this, click Add a new course. Here we see all the necessary fields for adding content, and so we start with the name of the course. Let's call Analyzing Data with Python. Customize the limit of registration of the number of students and the difficulty level of the course. After that, let's create a topic. For this, click Add a new topic. Set a name and click Add Topic. Here we can create lectures and quizzes. Let's create a lecture. For this, click Add a new lecture. Give a name for the lectures. Add content. A link for the video. And even way to attach the necessary files. Save data by clicking on the button Update the lesson. Let's quickly fill in all the data. And so we filled in all the necessary items so that our course looks beautiful. Let's add a picture. For this, click to Set Featured Image, select a file, and set as a featured image. Wonderful! We filled in all the data. It remains only to publish our course. For this, click on the button Publish and submit for review. Wonderful! We published our first course. It remains to wait for the confirmation of the course from the site administrator. Let's check the published courses. For this, go to Courses Strange. Our course is not in the list of courses, let's wait. Refresh the page. Awesome. Our course is published, let's see what our course looks like. Wonderful. And so today we learned how to use the courseland platform. I will hope that it was very interesting to dive into the creative world. Let's learn and educate others with courseland. See you, my friend. Bye.